morning, the Gauhati High Court has been informed that the Assam National Register of Citizens may have included up to 2.77 lakh undeserving names due to poor quality check and control. The NRC authorities have arrived at this estimate based on the deletion of over a lakh of names following the verification of a mere 27% of the draft NRC. This according to an affidavit that's been submitted by the Assam's NRC coordinator. Ratnadeep joins us with the very latest. Ratnadeep, these are shocking estimates that you're reporting.
That's right. In fact, this is a very big revelation which has come out in the affidavit which has been submitted by Assam State NRC Coordinator Hitesh Dev Sharma. He has submitted this affidavit at the Gauhati High Court a few days back. Now, the Gauhati High Court, which was hearing a case of declared foreigners, where some of the declared foreigners have argued that their names figure in the final NRC of Assam, which was published in 2019, so they should be granted citizenship. On the basis of, while hearing that case, the Gauhati High Court had asked the state NRC authorities to submit a comprehensive report of the status of the NRC, as well as whether to check whether there are discrepancies or not, to which this affidavit has been submitted. Now, in this affidavit, the state NRC coordinator makes some very important observations, as well as some details have been given out, where he claims that before the final NRC was published, in fact, both the state government and centre had pleaded to the Supreme Court, which monitors the Assam NRC updation, that there should be a re-verification. At that point of time, the then State NRC coordinator Pratik Hajela had argued in the Supreme Court, saying that verification is not required, and that an incidental verification of the draft NRC, 27% verification was done. And in fact, the Supreme Court went with that argument and rejected the plea for a re-verification. Now, citing that, the present NRC coordinator says that, if in 27% re-verification, if 1 lakh people have been, deleted, then going by that arithmetic, they've arrived to this 2.77 lakhs, 2,77,000 people might be wrongly included. However, he also gives the data saying that they have already done a check, and they found out in a set of more than 10,000 people that they have found about 4,800 people who are wrongful inclusion. Their name should not have been there. They have also found about 5,000 people who have been wrongfully excluded as well.
Okay.
So now this opens up perhaps the case in the Gauhati High Court. But however, let me tell you, Gauhati High Court is not hearing the case on Assam NRC.
Yes.
So
it remains to be seen what really happens, in the Gauhati High Court. The NRC coordinator there telling court very clearly that there are multiple flaws in how this list has in fact been compiled is a revelation in itself. It's a story we'll continue to track very closely. Appreciate you, Ratnadeep, for joining us with the very latest.